Attention, Apple enthusiasts, the moment we've all been waiting for is almost upon us. After nearly 3 years of anticipation, the iPad mini is finally receiving the significant upgrade it deserves. Could this upgrade include a powerful new processor? Perhaps a sleek, modern redesign? Or maybe, just maybe, a revolutionary foldable screen? Stick with us as we delve into all the exciting details surrounding the highly anticipated iPad mini 7. This release is set to be a game changer for Apple's most compact tablet, and believe me, you won't want to miss out on what's coming next. If you found this video insightful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Also, feel free to drop a comment below. Your feedback is always appreciated. Now, let's talk about the iPad mini. The last major redesign from Apple happened all the way back in 2021 with the release of the 6th generation model. That upgrade was significant. At the time, Apple introduced a larger display, relocated the Touch Idaho to the power button, switched from the Lightning port to USB-C, and improved the camera. Fast forward to 2024, and we haven't seen a single new version in 3 long years. What's going on, Apple? Did the mini slip through the cracks? Fortunately, there's some exciting news circulating. Rumors suggest that the iPad mini 7 might be arriving sooner than we think, possibly even in October. However, before we get too excited, let's not forget Apple's history of making us wait. Case in point, the iPad mini 4. After that release, it took Apple a grueling 42 months to roll out the next version. I know it sounds torturous, but this time we're optimistic it won't take that long. Trusted sources like Apple expert Mark Gurman and highly respected analyst Ming-Chi Kuo are predicting that the iPad mini is lined up for an October launch. Yes, you heard that right. It's in line, and we could be seeing it very soon, so it might be time to start budgeting for it. Speaking of budgets, how much will this new model set you back? The price is expected to remain consistent with previous releases in the US, holding steady at $499. So, no surprises there, but let's be honest, when it comes to Apple, you never truly know until you're staring at the final price on that checkout screen. Now, let's dive into the design details of the upcoming Mini 7. Will there be any significant changes in its appearance? Most likely, no major overhauls. Apple is expected to retain the familiar sleek and compact form factor that fans have grown to appreciate. However, we could see some exciting new color variations, following the trend Apple set with the iPhone 16 and the 10th generation iPad. Think deeper, more vibrant color palettes. It sounds intriguing, doesn't it? As for the display, there won't be any changes in size. The 8.3-inch screen is here to stay. However, there is growing speculation that Apple may address the notorious jelly scrolling issue that impacted the Mini 6, leading to a much smoother and more refined scrolling experience in the Mini 7. Here's where things get really interesting. The processor. Currently, the iPad mini 6 is equipped with the A15 chip, which, while reliable, is no longer considered top of the line. However, rumors surrounding the iPad mini 7 suggest that it may feature the A17 chip, the same processor found in the iPhone 15 Pro. This upgrade would significantly boost the device's performance, making it a much more powerful option. Additionally, there is speculation that Apple may double the RAM, increasing it from 4 GB to 8 GB. This additional memory could prove to be a major enhancement, especially if Apple introduces new AI-powered features to the iPad mini lineup. One common frustration we all face is running out of storage space on our devices. The base model of the iPad mini 6 was initially equipped with only 64 GB of storage, which in the fast-paced digital world we live in today, feels akin to bringing a teaspoon to a soup-eating competition. However, rumors are circulating that Apple is finally planning to increase the base storage capacity to 128 GB. For users who have extensive photo collections or frequently download large amounts of content from streaming services like Netflix, there is further speculation that the maximum storage option may increase from 256 GB to a more generous 512 GB. We're all hoping these updates come through. Regarding the display, it's important to note that OLED technology is not expected to arrive on the iPad mini until at least 2026. While this may come as a disappointment to some, it's worth mentioning that the current display is still of high quality. On the bright side, there is speculation that ProMotion technology could be introduced to the iPad mini, offering a seamless 120Hz refresh rate. This upgrade would significantly enhance the visual experience, making activities such as gaming, watching videos, and browsing TikTok incredibly smooth and visually appealing. If you were anticipating the release of a foldable iPad mini, I'd advise tempering those expectations for now. While Apple is indeed exploring foldable technology, this particular iPad mini will not be part of that innovation. Frankly, considering the price point, a foldable iPad mini might end up costing you as much as a small car. In conclusion, the iPad mini 7 is gearing up to be a powerful and compact device that could significantly disrupt Apple's tablet lineup. With a faster chip, expanded storage options, and a smoother display, it offers a lot of exciting features. Are you looking forward to it? I certainly am. Make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below if you're planning to purchase the iPad mini 7 upon release. Stay tuned for more updates, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.